Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get an EIN number in the state of Pennsylvania. And this video tutorial is really fast. It's going to be about 5 minutes. I've seen so many videos on YouTube that are really long and complex, and I honestly have no idea what they're doing because this process is so easy and really beginner friendly too. So click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time that you're filing on yours. That way you can follow with me step by step. And like I said, by the end of this video, it's only going to be like 5 minutes or so. You're going to have your LLC and EIN number filed. So click that link and let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to click Pennsylvania. And then you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions. So I'm going to start to type that in. Okay, and now we're just going to hit next. And what stage are you currently in? So just select where you're at the moment. And then what industry does your business fall into? So I do eyelash extensions. I'm going to type in E. You can see so many options come up and they get really specific. So if you're really not sure about what industry you fall into, just start to type in something you think it might fall into, and you'll more than likely find what you're looking for. There we go, eyelash extensions. And what is it you offer? Either a physical good or a service. So I'm going to click a professional service, but if I was selling a product, I could always select both options. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees, or maybe the other way around. That's totally fine. You can hire and fire as you see fit for your business. It will not affect your LLC filing at all. You won't have to change anything later on. So just again, click where you're at the moment. And now you're going to type in your zip code. And where are you serving your customers? So you're either selling online, at a shop or store, or on the go. So like I mentioned, I am mobile, I'm on the go. But let's just say I had a website, I'm selling some products there too. I can select this option here. And if you happen to have all three, you can select all three. And today I want you to select LLC, make sure it's highlighted in blue, and then also EIN. And the reason I want you to get your EIN number is it's basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will more than likely need an EIN number. And Taylor Brands also has all this other stuff. It's like a one-stop shop for all of your business stuff. So let's just say, you want a logo designed, or maybe you need a license or a permit for something. You could select any of these, and feel free to select them now or go back in later after this video and check these out. I love that everything is all in one spot. It just makes life easier. But for today, we're just doing these two. This is asking what we've done already for our business. We can just skip that part. And you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, Taylor Brands is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. First of all, it's free, which is amazing. And if I can learn something that helps me make more money in my business, that's great, right? So I'm going to click join the program. But if you want to skip it, you can hit no thanks. It's totally up to you. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you decide to handle it yourself, you can do it through the IRS website. The only thing is they only allow you to file it Monday through Friday, not weekends. I feel like the website's a little difficult to navigate, and also it's like one more thing on my to-do list that I would rather not do. So for me, having Taylor Brands do it for me, it's only $99. That is worth the hassle and headache of potentially messing up on the IRS website, which I don't want to do. So I'm going to select this. And as far as being a registered agent, so registered agent is essentially a fancy word for who's going to receive your business mail. So if you live in Pennsylvania and you're opening your LLC in Pennsylvania, you are more than likely your own registered agent. If you don't live in Pennsylvania and you're opening one in the state, or maybe your accountant has said otherwise, then you may need to appoint someone different that lives in the state to be the registered agent. But like I said, you are most likely your own registered agent if you live in Pennsylvania. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year, no matter what state you're in, you have to renew your LLC. So if you're super busy and you feel like you might forget or you just have a lot going on, Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. Now, I'm going to try to save some money, so I will handle it on my own. But make sure you remember to do it on your own, because if you forget, it's going to cost you a ton of money in fines and fees and late fees, and will cost more than Taylor Brands just doing it for you. So make sure you remember that part. Would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. And $49, you get expedited LLC. You get it in 2 days. I feel like it's worth it. I want my LLC as soon as possible. But if you're not in a rush and you have 2 weeks to wait, they'll send it to you without that charge, which is still pretty quick. So it's whatever works for you, but I would like mine as fast as possible. And would you like an operating agreement? You don't need to worry about that. So click I'll figure it out. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. And this is another service that Taylor Brands has. So let's just say you've started your business and you don't really have a system set up yet for how you're going to organize all your finances. Or maybe you do have your business going and you have a system, it's just not cutting it anymore. Taylor Brands is going to get you super organized with all of your invoices, your bookkeeping, your finances. You're going to know where every single thing goes so that you are set up for success and making the most money as possible. And that's the reason we have businesses, right? Is to know where all of our money is going and to be able to utilize it the best that we can. So if you want to check it out, they offer a free trial. I don't know the price at the end, but I highly recommend it if you're planning to really grow your business and get serious about it. For me, my business is really small right now, so I'm going to manage the books and invoices on my own, but probably as I grow, I will check this option out later. Yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And today, you can check out what these packages offer, but we're just getting our LLC and EIN, and we want to save as much money as possible, right? So click this light plan here. We don't need to pay for anything extra. And now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Pennsylvania state filing fee is $125. That's just like the state mandated filing fee for an LLC. The free business coaching program is included, and we're paying $49 for that expedited filing. Now, this is not highlighted, so we don't have to pay for this. And after your LLC is filed, you will then be charged for your EIN. So today, we're just paying for the LLC and the 2-day expedited filing. Like I said, later on, this charge will come through. Okay, so now you're going to enter your credit card information. After that, it's going to ask some pretty basic info like name, address, and really easy stuff like that. So just make sure you complete the whole process to get your LLC. But you guys, that's literally it. That is the whole video, and you have just successfully filed for your LLC and EIN number. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I would be more than happy to explain anything that I might have missed. But if you followed along with this, you have successfully done it. So I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.